Good morning and welcome to NYFP's At the Open for Wednesday, October 19, 2011. In midweek trade, the major U.S. stock averages are off to a lower start. Now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 are lower, a little under a quarter of a percentage point. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite Index has pulled back a little over a half a percentage point. Now, the latest economic data releases, earnings, and developments out for the Eurozone are in the spotlight today. Starting out for a look at economic data, U.S. housing starts came in at their best level in 17 months, soaring by as much as 15%. Now, inflation also came in harder than expected today, with CPI for the latest month rising by 0.3%, while core CPI climbed by 0.1%. Later on in the session, we will be getting the Fed's beige book. And moving on to the latest earnings reports, a slew of tech earnings came out on Tuesday after the closing bell. Apple did disappoint to the downside, and they did miss their forecast. Shares of Apple are lower by 4.5% at the open. Meanwhile, Intel shares are higher by nearly 3% after their earnings topped estimates. The company posted a record revenue helped by demand for laptops. And Yahoo is higher by 4% at the open. Although their profit declined for the latest quarter, their results did top estimates. And in terms of Dow components, we have Morgan Stanley higher by over 3.5% after beating estimates. Their profit came in at $2.2 billion for the latest quarter, but that result was lifted by an accounting allowance. Meanwhile, Travelers is higher by 1.5%. Now, this does come although the insurance company missed forecast. The company was hit by an increase in claims due to catastrophes. Last but not least, Abbott Laboratories are higher by over 4.5% on this Wednesday morning. This does come as Abbott announced it will be splitting into two publicly traded companies. Over in commodities, we're seeing mixed trading with crude oil nearly flat, lower by just 8 cents at 88.45 a barrel. Gold is posting mild advance, higher by just $1, currently at 1653.80 an ounce. And over in the foreign exchange market, the dollar is lower against the majors of the euro, pound, and yen. And that does wrap it up for you at the open for Wednesday, October 19, 2011. Thanks for watching and have a great day.